Flora Farms, San Jose del Cabo. Hi, I'm KT Morgan, the host of Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. Today we're going to Flora Farms and staying in the Hillside Lofts. Flora Farms is a world unto itself. What started off as a 25-acre organic farm has turned into one of the most sought-after experiences in Mexico. Serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the middle of the garden makes the farm-to-table concept extra fast and fresh. The day begins hours before dawn as the staff begins baking the breads, harvesting the crops, and preparing the menu for the day's guests, the owners, and all the private events and high society weddings that may occur on any given day. The harvesting of the greens continues throughout the day. All meats are served at Flora's Field Kitchen, come from a nearby 150-acre ranch where animals are humanely raised on diets that do not include hormones or antibiotics. The experience gives you the feeling of wellness and balance that is incorporated in their menu and way of life. It is actually a simple formula: combine handmade food using farm-fresh ingredients. What they have accomplished on this 25 acres is amazing. Every corner has been utilized, yet feels open and not cramped. There are the little things like their own homemade ice cream, and there's the mind-blowing Hillside Lofts and Culinary Cottages that encircle the whole edges of the property. These owners have access to the fields, private pools, and privileges to the grounds and spa. We spent a joyous week in a 2-bedroom Hillside hayloft. Being seasoned travelers did not diminish the awe we experienced upon walking into the villa. The attention to detail is apparent around every corner and every nook and cranny. The main kitchen is a chef's delight, with all the accoutrements that you would expect from a world-renowned culinary resort. The open and light living room is perfect, and the second family room can be used as a third bedroom. The saltwater plunge pool is heated, and we delighted in the cedar soaking tub each and every day and night. The bedrooms are spacious and separated, making this a place for privacy while attaining the mountain views beyond San Jose. Our tour of the grounds was inspirational. The vibe of the place is tangible. You're at once transported and relaxed, growing thirsty for their signature juices. So we headed back to the bar to order our round and start thinking about our lunch. But first, how about 2 of their best cocktails? I ordered the smoky mezcalita, and Sandra tried the cilantro gin and tonic. After a wonderful lunch prepared by Chef Guillermo, we decided to get some sun at the Flora Spa and Pool. This is for owners and guests staying at their signature cottages and villas. There are also many private gathering areas for members, as well as activities each day. We also took advantage of their recently opened beach club at nearby La Laguna. They are offering new beachfront flats for sale fractionally there as well. We took great joy in harvesting our own veggies each day and felt inspired to cook our daily pickings. We met many of the owners who come from all over North America. Everyone staying there seems genuinely happy to be part of this farming community. We ended the week as we began it by preparing a healthy, fresh-picked organic meal. As we delighted in our hand-picked and fresh meal, we dreamed of our next return. This video review of Flora Farms is brought to you by Cabos Finest, your insider's guide to Los Cabos. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and also like us on Facebook and subscribe to our website. Thank you for watching.